Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to our quick guide on making delicious Oriental chicken. This dish is a fantastic blend of sweet, savory, and tangy flavors, perfect for a weeknight meal. It's surprisingly easy to whip up, and we'll walk you through every simple step. You'll learn how to get that perfect balance, from prepping your ingredients to crafting the amazing sauce. Get ready to create a truly satisfying and flavorful dish right in your own kitchen. First, let's gather what you'll need. You'll want boneless, skinless chicken, either breasts or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. For the sauce, prepare soy sauce, rice vinegar, a touch of honey or brown sugar, and some sesame oil for that authentic aroma. Don't forget some cornstarch to thicken it up, plus fresh ginger and garlic for a punch of flavor. These simple components really come together beautifully. Now, let's get cooking. Start by searing your chicken pieces in a hot pan until they're golden brown and cooked through. If you like, add some colorful vegetables like broccoli florets, bell peppers, or snap peas to the pan. Cook them until they're tender crisp, adding a wonderful texture and freshness to your meal. This step builds the foundation for our amazing dish, making it hearty and vibrant. The sauce is where the magic happens. In a separate bowl, whisk together your soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, and sesame oil. Remember to stir in the minced ginger and garlic for that vibrant kick. Once everything is combined, slowly pour this delicious mixture over your cooked chicken and vegetables. Let it simmer gently, allowing the sauce to thicken and coat everything beautifully. This creates that irresistible, glossy finish. Finally, it's time to serve up your fantastic Oriental chicken. It pairs perfectly with fluffy white rice or some simple noodles, soaking up all that incredible sauce. Garnish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and some chopped green onions for extra freshness and visual appeal. Take a moment to savor the sweet and savory flavors you've created. We hope you truly enjoy this delightful homemade meal, made with your own hands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.